Today we're making some oxtails, so stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. My oxtails are already washed, they're clean. I'm adding a cup of water, and then I will be adding some onion powder, some garlic, some bay leaves, and some aja. Aja is just another bouillon in cubes. If you don't have aja, you can substitute for beef bouillon, or you can substitute for just salt, or you can always substitute also for adobo. While our oxtail is boiling, we're going to cut up some onions, some tomatoes, some bell peppers, and some green onions. Now that my oxtails are tender, I'm about to make a sauce to put inside my oxtails. I will be adding a little bit of nutmeg, a little bit of onja. Onja is just a tomato based spice. So if you don't have that, you can add paprika, because I just wanted to give my sauce a reddish look. And I will be also adding my beef bouillon. I will be adding some water and let my vegetables simmer, just to let all the spices blend well together. Then I will be putting my sauce in my pot with the oxtails. After you put your sauce in, you're gonna let your sauce and your oxtails boil, but on a low heat so it doesn't burn, so it can simmer and let all the spices blend together. After letting my oxtails boil for a good 20 to 25 minutes, this is what you have. My sauce is ready to go. It's ready to eat. My meat is very tender and my sauce is very delicious. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram name is right up there. And I will catch you on my next video. Bye.